Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I will show you a cute little shoe. I'm using two color. One is white and the other is light purple. I'm using 2 mm now 1.70 mm needle. Now let's start my work. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Chain 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now in the second make half double crochet 2 times. Now in the remaining make half double crochet in all stitches till to the end of the line. Now I am here make 6 half double crochet into the chain, last chain, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now make half double crochet into the remaining stitches till to the end of stitch where I made 2 half double crochet. Now this is my last chain stitch, so make 5 half double crochet. One, two, three, 4 and 5. Now 1, 2, 3 in the third make slip stitch. Now chain 1 and again in the second stitch make 2 half double crochet and 1, 2, 3, 4 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now make twice double crochet into the 6 stitches. 1 in the same, 2 in the second stitch, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, make another double crochet. Now make double crochet into 4 stitches, one, two, three, 4 and 4 half double crochet. Half double crochet, and in the next make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one more half double crochet, and in the next make 2 half double crochet. Now make single crochet in all stitches all around, till to the end. Now my sole is ready. I will start the upper upper part of the shoe. This is the middle of my shoe sole, so I will start from here with the same yarn. Chain 3 and make double crochet into the inner part of the chain. Do it in all around till to the end. Now I did my double crochet all around. Now I will start with chain 3 and make front post and back post, front post and back post. So do it till to the end of this line. Make it till to this side. Now see, I did my all back and front post to the shoe. Now this is the middle of my shoe, so count here from this side: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 from this side and 7 from this side, total is 14. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and I will put a stitch mark over here. Where I will start my decrease. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I will start my decrease from this side. So now start my work. Chain 3, front post and back post till we reach here. Now I reach to my decreasing point, so I will remove the stitch marker and make front post, skip back post and straight to the front post again. Now again skip the back post and double crochet to the front post, skip. Now skip the back and do the front post only. This is my decrease. Now remove the back post, again do the same, front post, back post, double crochet, front double crochet, back, now start again chain 3 and make front post and back post, front. Now This is my decreasing point. Now I will see, I will do my first decrease again in the next, from the first make pull through from 2, again turn around from the yarn and to the next front post, now 3, again now again, oops, 2 front posts together, decrease. Now it will look like this. Now chain 3 again and make front post and back post and do it till to the decreasing point. Now I am here to my decreasing point. Now see what to do. Don't overturn the yarn. Single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and this is my last one. I will do single crochet. Now make all in one, see, and make a like this, see. Now make front post again and back post. This is the last round of this part. Now it will look like this. Now I will use my another color. This is the front point, see. Now I will skip from this side 1, 2, in the third I will insert hook, and 1, 2 in the third I will insert the to finish the work. So I will start from this side 1, 2 in the third. I will change the color. One, two, 2 and 3, and make double crochet all around to the other side. Double crochet, now I came to my desired side, so I will turn 1, 2 and turn your work, and again make double crochet into the stitches. Now see, I will make single crochet into the stitches. this is the middle, so I will turn to the next side and make single crochet into the next. Now make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 25 chain. I did my 30 chain from this side and 30 chain from this side. Now it make a beautiful tie here. Now this is my little cute shoe. If you want to increase the upper part, do one more double crochet over here, and now this is my little shoe. See how beautiful it is. It is for 0 to 3 months. So I hope you will like it. I will be in touch with you with another tutorial, inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.